Hello everyone, welcome to this NextJs crash course. In this crash course, I will teach you NextJs starting to end. In this crash course, I will create two projects, and guys, these two projects will be websites. So guys, we will create two websites using NextJs. So guys, now let's begin. First of all guys, let's talk about what is NextJs. NextJs is a JavaScript framework built on top of React. And guys, with NextJs we can create React app. And guys, NextJs is a very powerful tool. And guys, unlike React, NextJs is SEO friendly. So guys, in React we can't create SEO friendly websites, but guys in NextJs we can create SEO friendly websites. And guys, the best thing about NextJs is that it has more features than React. With NextJs we can create full stack websites, and also in React we have to download React router, but in NextJs we don't need to download React router. It is built in. And guys, also in NextJs we will find many features like server-side rendering, server-side props, and guys, many features that will be very useful. And guys, the NextJs is very powerful. And guys, also I have created my website using NextJs. So my website name is templification.cf, and guys, it is very amazing. And guys, now let's talk about why should you use NextJs. With NextJs we can create many powerful websites, and guys, this is the reason why we should use NextJs. And guys, also in NextJs we have to write less code, and guys, but in React we have to write more code. That's why we use NextJs to create React app. And guys, now let's talk about what is the requirement for NextJs. So guys, the requirement is that we have to learn React before learning NextJs. As guys, first of all guys, we have to learn React. Then guys, after learning React, then you have to learn NextJs. And guys, for the requirement for learning React is that we have to learn JavaScript. And guys, now that's it. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So thanks for watching this video guys. That's it.